Hello, welcome to another episode of the Ikan Bilis Weekly Forecast Show. Our weekly forecast is published every Sunday, 4 p.m. UK time to help you navigate the sea of market volatility. Please subscribe and click the like button before we dive into the charts.
For the dollar yen, we saw it tag, arguably, right? Like depending on how you draw your lines, we saw it tag the inner line of the channel. There's this upper line. So we should see more downside coming after a short relief rally at the start of next week. So I mean, what I mean is we'll see this and then come down. So for the bear case, we want to short around here. We're already in a short. We took some off on Friday before the weekend started, and then let's wait for price to consolidate a little and then look for another short for another pump down. And we're really targeting 110.5 after a consolidation at these levels. Now, there may be a case, not slightly less probable, but if price starts to find a rally from here, I think it will be some form of fake out, and we want to look for a short here. And if this doesn't ends up not being a breakout, but not being a fake out, but a breakout, then we will see. Right, we'll probably wait and see.
We've come to the end of the video. If you think our content is useful to you, please like, share, and subscribe. Our Discord channel is up and running, and it's the best place to stay current with our latest updates. See you there, or until next week.